What's up, YouTube? Adam here. Welcome back to Mustang Nation. Well, with this whole COVID-19 situation and most of New York is kind of quarantined, or not exactly quarantined, but everybody's pretty much staying home. I have dedicated a lot of my spare time to finishing up the garage. And I don't know if you can see behind me, I painted the bottom of the garage. The bottom half a darker gray, upper half is a lighter gray, and the middle is a nice brilliant blue. So just about finished it here. You can see it. Absolutely loving this. And it goes all the way around across the other side. So that's kind of how I've been keeping busy. I actually just took this car out with my son. We went on a birthday parade. I don't know if you guys have them where you are, but it's for kids and adults sometimes too, where they have a birthday, but they can't celebrate. So it's kind of a social distancing thing. And a lot of people like to get cars together. So we just got back from one. It was, I think the kid was turning 11. It was nice, a whole bunch of Mustangs, a whole bunch of, regular cars as well. But it's a way of just saying, hey, it's your special day and everybody appreciates you, and it's kind of the best we can do, and it's been really positive. So I've been part of a number of those, and that's been really cool. But I gotta be honest with you, I can't wait till all this is over. I can't wait to get back to normal. I can't wait to do some more car meetups and hang out. This one was Strong Island Stangs. They're gonna be doing a lot of events this summer that I really wanted to document, put some content together with their shows, because I love being a part of that group, really good people. But this has kind of stopped everything, and I guess it's just the way it is. As far as the 99 goes, really haven't done too much, still haven't put the brakes on, although I do have everything for that. Yeah, I mean, I've been driving it here and there. As a matter of fact, I've been driving this more than my daily, which has been mostly sitting. But that's just because I've been cruising around the neighborhood and going on these birthday parties with it. One thing that I've been thinking about is hosting a Monday night, kind of a live YouTube stream, Monday Night Mustangs. I kind of did it last week, just for a goof, just for fun. And I might try it again, because I think it might be positive for those of us who are kind of stuck inside with nothing to do. Maybe we could just talk cars and have some type of interaction because of this whole social distancing and self-quarantining, or whatever you want to call it. At least we can connect, and I think it'll be a lot of fun. So do me a favor, check that out. Monday night, I'm thinking around 8:15 here on the channel. If you want to be part of it, it'll be really cool to have a conversation with you. So anyway, just a quick check-in to say what's up, and we're okay. We're trying to stay sane and trying to stay safe, and I hope you're doing the same out there. So hopefully I will be coming out with some new content soon. I do have plans for this car. I have plans for shows and events and stuff like that, but unfortunately all our lives are kind of stopped right now, and that's okay for now. I just hope that everything gets back to normal soon. So I hope this video finds you well, it finds you healthy and safe. All right, and I will see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves.